So, I think the personal statement I find is probably one of the hardest things in the application process for law school applicants because first, it's very hard to write about yourself, I think. But I do think students need to remember that this is their way to introduce themselves to the admissions committee, meaning that it's way to tell us what type of non-academic contribution you're going to bring to the class. What has gotten you to this point that you're applying to law school? I really don't necessarily think you have to tell us what type of law you want to practice, what you want to be when you get done with law school, because I think 3 years of a legal education might change what you're initially thinking of. But it's really a way for us to get to know you. And it's one thing I'd like to remind people do is not to just rewrite your resume, because we have that resume, and that resume is very important as it provides us with a roadmap of what you've done to get to this point. But you can obviously take an experience on that resume, a summer internship, a couple of years of your work experience that has maybe helped you grow into this idea of going to law school and becoming a lawyer. But it really kind of needs to tell us about you. If you want to let us know why you're applying to UChicago, and you can add it to your personal statement without it taking away from other things, by all means do that. But we also have the ability we ask you to write an addendum to give us, and we have some instructions in our application. And one of the addendums you can write is about why Chicago.
Right.
And so I would use that opportunity too to provide additional information if you want it.